Your Rice Queens takes the ball away from them. It's your Rice Stars will pick up possession on this near side. Your Rice Stars sends the ball, but it's intercepted by the Rice Queens. They pass there, very forward they pass with the Rice Stars. And the Rice Queens, okay, no throw. No throw, play as you like. Your Rice Stars get the ball down. Your Rice Queens got them up. They play their defensive first gloriously, but they play up for their Rice Stars. Your Rice Stars still holds when to picks up the into the referee. Alright, your Rice Queens, so the boys, the Queens, in their own half. She miskicks the ball. The former African best player miskicks the ball. And their Rice Queens and their Stars who are fighting the win from African best player with the ball now, trying to teach them a few lessons about around leather. She navigates her way through traffic, still with possession, trying to bulldoze her way through. But it takes their Rice Stars with the ball, their superstar, 3.5 million pound signing from Arsenal ladies. And the ball rolls out of toy. In particular, but the leader still. And it is the Queens with possession actually. The Queens looking for the rock piece of the pie. Runs into trouble. The Stars. Oh, beautiful. The Stars. The Stars coming again with the ball. The Stars. Oh, puts are flying. And information reaching us is that she bought that boot for 650 euros. All the way from this goalkeeper. And look at that. She miskills. And the goal scorer. The goal scorer with the ball wants to get to second. And someone almost handled the ball. It is the players who determine what happens here. Now, it is the Stars, the Rice Stars, against the Queens. Getting the one goal there. Oh, nation time. Second half. Intercept the ball flickered out of touch for the Palace, and that's the goal scorer, the former Arsenal concert goal poacher who scores